Court is calling 2024 CR 008934, State versus Matthew Longoria. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Deputy Clerk for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Defense?
Thomas Hill is standing in for Attorney Douglas Kepmeyer with client's consent.
And are you Matthew Longoria?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you consent to this attorney standing in?
Yes, Your Honor.
Surprise cameo alert. The defense attorney isn't the one originally assigned. But don't worry, Matthew gave the green light. Quick legal check. This is called substitute counsel with consent, and it's totally legal as long as the defendant agrees. Still, ever wonder what it feels like to meet your lawyer the same day you plead guilty?
All right, Miss Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with Mr. Longoria?
Attorney Kepmeyer has, Your Honor.
Have you reviewed all the discovery with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Longoria, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Longoria, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with theft of property, $1,500, less than $1,500, with 2 or more previous convictions, which makes it a state jail.
Let's pause right here. Theft under $1,500 doesn't sound huge, but with 2 prior convictions, boom, it's bumped up to a state jail felony. That's Texas law. 3 strikes, and suddenly you're facing real time. Now the stakes are higher, and Matthew's walking a legal tightrope.
Felony range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication, is there an application for deferred?
No, Your Honor.
All right. It's just that the paperwork says that. Let me see. Not your paperwork.
Douglas Kepmeyer informed me it was just before probation, Your Honor.
Okay. Any objections to the court just circling community supervision?
No objection.
None from the state.
Okay. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
No, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Longoria, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. The state is recommending community supervision. There's to be restitution to Walmart, no contact with any Walmart, the theft course, TAP evaluation, MRT, and 100 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand?
This plea deal is loaded. Restitution, no Walmarts, theft course, TAP evaluation, MRT, 100 hours of community service. This isn't just probation. It's a full-on behavioral makeover. Think that's too harsh? Or just the system trying to rehabilitate instead of incarcerate?
The theft course, the TAP evaluation, the MRT, and 100 hours of community service restitution, that part of your agreement the court does not have to follow?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, other than that, did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There'll be 100 hours of community service restitution and no contact with the complaining witness. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments at this time, Your Honor.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes,
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
just for the court to please respectfully go along with the plea bargain made.
All right, how long have you been using?
Drugs?
Yes.
Maybe about 2 years.
And what have you been using?
Just heroin.
All right.
I've never shot up with the needle or anything like that.
All
It was
right.
just a dumb choice that I made.
All right, so here's the thing. I can tell you what's going to end up happening is that I'm going to place you on probation, but you're not going to be released from custody. The TAP evaluation is going to be done in custody. There's going to be a referral to felony drug court, and you need to be honest with them for that evaluation. And more likely than not, you're going into inpatient treatment. So if you don't want the inpatient treatment, now's the time to say so.
I don't want the inpatient treatment.
Wait a second, Matthew just said he doesn't want inpatient treatment, but still wants probation? That's like ordering dessert without eating dinner. The judge calls his bluff fast. Choices have consequences, especially when you're facing a drug court with no-nonsense policies.
All right, so do you want to discuss, do you just want to do 2 years in the state jail facility then?
No.
I mean, you're going to end up doing time, or either you're going to follow the court's recommendations.
It's on probation?
Mm-hmm.
I'll follow the probation.
All right. So the court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 5 years. There is going to be SafeP, so you're going to SafeP. That's an inpatient drug treatment. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. There's to be proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. There's to be no contact with Walmart. There's to be no contact with minors. There's to be the theft course. Probation, is there anything else? There's to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. And he's to remain in custody until transferred to SafeP. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I'm not trying to be dumb or anything. I don't understand what's going on if I was going to get probation.
No, I gave you probation, but you need treatment for your drug problem.
I don't
That
have a
drug-
drug problem.
Okay, then you're just stealing for no reason.
I don't have a drug problem.
So that means you're just stealing for.
And here it is, the twist. Matthew swears he doesn't have a drug problem, but the field test? Methamphetamine. The courtroom flips from rehab talk to reality check. The judge isn't here for excuses. This is where justice meets tough love.
No reason.
It was just dumb choices. I don't
Right.
have any kind of drug problem.
So here's the thing. I've given you a legal sentence. If you do not want to sign for SafeP, let me know and they'll file a motion to revoke. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. So what I can tell you, the conversation you had with me, you tell me you were using heroin. What I read in the police report, when they had the stolen items with you that they recovered, they mentioned also, I contacted Detective Burban and advised him of S1's arrest. CSI Worthington field tested the substance that you had, and it tested positive for methamphetamine. So that's why you're going to inpatient drug treatment. We're off the record. But if you don't want to go, probation will go over conditions with you. If you don't sign the conditions for probation, they'll file a motion to revoke. And then counsel, if you want to be appointed for that motion to revoke, what will end up happening, if your counsel wants to waive notice, we'll have a hearing on your motion to revoke today.
I tell Attorney Caballero.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. God bless you.
God bless you too.